everyone, welcome to our Sunday day out. Mr. H is driving. Do you want to say where we're going?
Yeah, well, we're just approaching Beddgelert now, just answers rain as well, and then we're heading to a place called Beddgelert, which is a nice Welsh town, small but very
beautiful, isn't
nice
it?
there, yeah, it's nice. So that's where we're heading today.
In the distance there, don't know if you can see it with a little bit of mist on the top. We walked up there, didn't we, a few years ago?
Yeah.
Must be about 16 years ago now, when we were fit. Not quite so fit these days. Anyway, it's a great mountain to walk. To Beddgelert?
Yeah. Scenic route this. We've just arrived at Beddgelert, going over the bridge now, and just going to find a parking space. Plenty of space here. Alright, so we've got here and it's teeming down with rain, which is typical in Snowdonia. So we're going to find a shop now to get a hat.
Oh, I love that. Is there a shop there?
So I got some incense and then I also
isn't
Be
it?
nice for camping now, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, why not? Gonna treat myself. Oh, they're cute.
And spoons, you know.
That'd be great for camping,
Yeah.
wouldn't it?
That's handy. For,
Yeah.
I might get. Yeah.
Chopsticks. Do you like that one?
Yeah. Have that.
Yeah, that
What
red
you-
one's nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. Does the job.
Nice.
Okay, shall we go this way?
Oh, this way, yeah.
Yeah.
So there's plenty of walks you can take around here. Beautiful. And now we're off to see Gelert on his grave. So here we are at the site of Gelert's grave. Now if you want to know the story or the legend, I'm not sure if you can read it on there, but maybe if you pause it and then you can read that. It's not a bad view for him, these mountains. Yeah. We're just going to head further on now to the statue of Gelert. There's a statue up here. I'll show you that while we're here.
There he is. The famous Gelert. Shows your hat, Mr. H. Yeah, well, you need something warm today.
We're just walking back now and we're just wondering if that church is open, so we'll go and have a look, maybe to see if it's open, shall we? That's good. Oh, what a beautiful little church. There's the altar. There's the organ. And there's Mrs. H.
Oh, they're selling jams and things. Oh yeah. Priory. What jams are there? Apple something. Can't see. Is it jam?
Jam. It's apple. I'll tell you. Apple and green gauge jam.
Sounds nice. Do you think it'd be nice with my Greek yogurt?
Yeah, apple and ginger jam.
Oh, I like the sound of that. Let's have some of that.
Wait a minute. And apple and green gauge again. Yeah, so.
I don't know what green gauge is, but £5 each. That's not bad, is it?
No.
Please put in box in
The porch.
Okay.
So I think she's going for the apple and ginger.
Oh, that sounds
Jam.
lovely. Yeah.
Nice.
£5 there.
And then you put the money in the shop fund there. £5. There we go. Thank you, St Mary's Church. There's some information here about the main church door being made by Sam Fancott. There he is, making that's the end result there. And here they are. Oh, that's one half of them. Beautiful, isn't it? So we're just outside the church now, St Mary's, and this is the cemetery. And it was over there we walked earlier to Gelert's grave. And that's it. Right, we're heading back down Church Street, out of the church, and we're going to hopefully find some lunch now. That's the menu.
What are you gonna have? Do you know?
Well, I like the sound of the rare bit beef burger, and they do light bites, but they're starters. No, I'll stick to the. I think I'll have the rare bit beef burger.
And I'm not sure what I'll go for. I might go for the honey halloumi.
Nice, yeah. Garlic mushrooms.
Oh, what else is there? There's a lasagna there.
Vegetable lasagna.
Yeah. Got treats for dogs.
lovely. Thank you.
Looks really nice, doesn't it?
Beautiful, look at that. Oh, it's going to be
So we're off to get a pair of wellies for you.
Yeah.
So let's try this Crib Goch outdoor shop, see what's there. Real weather for wellies today. Okay.
Grease sport, isn't it?
They look strong ones, don't they?
Neoprene.
How do they feel?
Oh, they're nice.
Are they? Nice and comfortable?
Yeah. 44. Yeah, they do.
55.
Thank you. Thank you.
You paid off.
Yes. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks.
Right, new wellies now, so they're going to be put on for the next bit of the video.
Fancy a nice cream, Mr. H?
Not really, thank you.
Not really the weather, but maybe next time. I love that weather vane. You see it? That goat.
Goat.
Yeah. And then over there you've got the Royal Goat Hotel.
That's Penabrin honey. Hot, that is.
Oh yeah. What's the other one like that? Dragon
That's
Fire.
hot, but they made that one even hot.
Yeah. I'm sure they're nice with cheese, aren't they?
Yeah.
They got here. Pies. I think you tried these before, didn't you?
Yeah,
Did you like
they
them?
were okay, yeah. Nice
Steak
chain.
pie, chicken and mushroom pie.
Pork sausages,
Yeah.
Welsh beef.
Ham there. They've got all kinds, haven't they? Big. It's my favourite hummus. Clotted cream. Oh, that's my favourite cheese. Cranberry crumble.
Is it?
Yeah.
You
That's
getting
nice.
some?
Not today.
Parapluie.
Yeah,
Lovely.
and bananas. Get some bananas.
The green ones are yellow.
The yellow ones at the back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want anything? Do you want milk?
No, I'm alright. Milk? No, we're okay then.
Yeah. So where we're heading now?
We're off to the Sygun Copper Mine now. Just up the road from, just outside Beddgelert, isn't it?
Yeah. Anyway, the weather's improved,
Well, it's
hasn't it?
better, it's stopped
a lot
raining.
better now.
go. That's it.
Yeah.
I'll do it. Ready to head in?
Yeah. Let's go.
Right, in we go. In we go. Sygun Copper Mine. Well, you're a lot smaller than me, so it won't bother you. Great, look at the length of it. Right. Okay. That's good, isn't it? Oh.
Hello there. Welcome to the Sygun Copper Mine. My name is Williams, and I will be showing you around this copper mine. Do you know it's well over 100 years since we last worked this copper mine? Back in the very near mists of time, around 500 million years ago, Snowdonia was a very different place. There were many volcanoes spitting out their lava, very briefly which can still be seen. The earth was a big, super steam, boiling water of 400
Look at that. It's amazing, isn't it? What an amazing place.
Those timbers you just passed underneath are at least 150 years old. Around 1900, Sygun was owned by a man called Gelert, who discovered, probably by chance, at his mine near Gelert, a process that revolutionized mining throughout the world, known as the flotation process. Gelert built one of the first of these in the world here at Sygun, which remains, still exists next to the shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, we're up this way now.
Okay.
So you have to watch your head in as well. Right.
I've got to go up there, have we? There are a total of 180 steps.
Okay.
So there are a total of 186 steps to climb, but not all in one go.
No.
If you do not wish to climb them, please retrace your steps to the exit. Okay, well, we'll carry on, shall we?
Yes.
Go on then. I'll follow you.
Follow me. It's a bit like going upstairs to bed, isn't it? Right, we got to the top. Whew, that was a long way up, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All the way down there. Right. Onward.
More steps here.
More steps there. Okay. Welcome. You're in the heart of the Snowdonia mountains here. And I mean that, right in the middle of them. Look at that little candle. Wow. We're still climbing, eh?
See the workers?
Yeah, we'll be there now.
Such a dangerous job, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah. And no helmets then.
Look at that.
No proper helmets, were there?
No. They said some of the wood here now, over 150 years old. Whew.
This saw chute is exactly as it was when the mine shut down in 1903. If you look closely, you will see the copper ore still in there where the miners left. No further down in that heavy copper mine.
Right, I think we're coming to the end of it now. You can see light at the end of the tunnel. That was an experience, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Copper, how they mined copper.
It showed what it must have been a hard life.
Hard life,
Working here.
very hard life and dangerous.
Yeah.
Didn't know if you were coming home, did you? If something happened. Back to it. That was very interesting, that.
Yeah, it was interesting.
Sygun Copper Mine. I think we're about halfway up the mountain now. Yeah.
Are we?
You can just see the top of it there.
Oh, yes. Yeah. It's quite a height, isn't
We'll
it?
walk back down now.
Let's have a look at the view here.
Before you lies the beautiful Brennan Valley. Some 75,000 years ago, during the Ice Age, it was filled with a grass layer of slow-moving ice.
So that's where we've come from, down there. So that was quite a height, wasn't it? So we need to go down this track
Yeah,
now.
we started down with
Yeah,
with them red little copper trucks.
yeah. So we need to go down this
Yeah,
trail
down here.
now.
And left deep scratches on many rocks in this area. As the climate became warmer at the end of the Ice Age,
Amazing to go inside a mountain like that, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Absolutely amazing. You can see the water, I don't know if you can see on the camera, in the distance, the water rushing down the mountain there, like a mini
We've had quite a
waterfall.
lot of rain
Yeah.
lately.
You fancy a coffee now?
Yeah, I think so. Just to warm up. And maybe a little cake. Are the wellies comfy?
Very comfortable. Feel nice and solid, yeah. Oh, that's nice.
That's copper. The copper jewellery.
Yeah. Yeah, one of them each of you.
Yeah.
So we've come to the end of the video, of our video Sunday visit, if you like, to Beddgelert village, and then we've come just outside now to Sygun Copper Mine. So I hope you enjoyed the video from me and Mrs H. Even the weather was bad, but it was very enjoyable. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.